Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make a tape dispenser. That is so easy to make. You will just need a shoebox lid to make this. It's so easy. A shoebox lid and a sharpener. If you don't have an sharpener to use, you can even use a shaving blade. It is so easy to make, guys. You can just make it in minutes. You just need hot glue, some cardboard, and just things like that. So here you can see I have all of these. So I'm gonna link the lengths and measurements down below. Don't forget to check out the description box. So there is a glossy side and a rough side. So what we're gonna do is we are going to get the glossy side out and the rough part inside. So you can see I am just joining these cardboard pieces together. And guys, as you have noticed, I am not uploading as I used to upload because my school has started just as other kids. So there were a lot of pressure on us to work or study. So I didn't get enough time to do all the filming, editing, and uploading. So finally I have come up with 4 to 5 videos to upload. So I will be uploading anytime soon. In 3 days you can say I will upload 5 of the videos. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. They are so fantastic. Some doll stuff and some sketch ideas, and there's so many things to do. So I just actually told you the whole thing about my videos. So stay tuned for my next videos, and thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. And I am so happy I've gone to so many subscribers and views. So please help me more and more and subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos to your friends, so your stationery addicted friends just like me, because I love stationery, of course. So yes, here you can see I have done a hole with a sharp type thingy I just found when I was like just wandering around. And then you will need a toothpick. So yes, you can just use a toothpick and take your tape before putting the toothpick. So when you have your tape in, you have to put your toothpick in, so you will not get that much difficulty to put your tape in. hit the bell.